Welcome everyone to Ricky's Tech Talk Basics. In this video, I will show you how to master reset your Emporia TalkActive. Press your menu button,
Messages,
scroll through to settings,
photo tools, contacts, call history, settings,
press OK, which is the green side.
voice assistant,
So you can scroll all the way down or you can scroll up once,
master reset,
and which is number 21. You could also press 21 on your keypad. We're going to select.
all settings, call lists and data like contacts and text messages will be reset. All data will be deleted.
So we're going to say yes. It will turn off. Give it a few moments and then it will restart and you would have had your device master reset. So say you're passing this on to a friend, a family member, it's ready for them to use. All they need to do is put in their nano size SIM card. And if you watch my video right here, I'll show you how to do that. If you're new to the TalkActive Emporia device, watch my other video just here to watch the unboxing and key features video. Our device is just rebooting. And now we're into the setup process and your phone has master reset. I hope this video has helped. If you do have any questions, leave a comment below and I will always be happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on the Emporia TalkActive and other helpful videos from me, Ricky. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.